Ford Mustang rear spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Ford Mustang rear spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality Ford Mustang rear spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Mustang rear spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring structural safety of the vehicle. The legs of the vehicle will be fuller, giving an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Ford Mustang rear spacers is a great way to fix wall offset driving problems. They can install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Ford Mustang rear spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. Their performance benefits to upgrading with Ford Mustang rear spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Ford Mustang rear spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. The Bosch Forged Active Cooling Ford Mustang rear spacers are designed to perform well in healthy duty any kind of 4x4 event. These Ford Mustang rear spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the Bosch Ford Mustang rear spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the rear spacer where it rotates. The air takes away that heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the rear spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, improving safety. In addition, the Bosch Forged Active Cooling Ford Mustang rear spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives peace of mind. Such Bosch Forged Active Cooling Ford Mustang rear spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.